Now let's learn what is if-else condition in Python and see how to use it. The if-else condition in Python is used to make decision in a program. It checks a condition. If it is true, one block of code runs. If it is false, another block of code runs. Suppose you are given a problem to find which number is greater. To solve this kind of decision making problem, we can use the if-else condition. Before solving, let's quickly look at the syntax of if-else. First, we need to write the if keyword. After the if keyword, we write a condition followed by a colon. The next indented line contains the code that runs if the condition is true. Then we have the else keyword followed by colon and the condition. Suppose the above if condition is false, then the code inside the else block will run. Now let's get into our problem. To solve our problem, let's assign the value 10 to variable name A and value 5 to variable name B. Then we'll write if keyword followed by the condition which is A greater than B and colon at the end. And hit enter. It will create an indented line where you can type print A is greater, which will be your statement. Now we'll run this code and see what it gives. It will give the output as A is greater. What happens if we exchange the value of A and B and run the same code? Nothing will be printed, right? Because the if statement did not meet the condition because B is greater. So we have to write the else block. Let's write the else block, which is the keyword else followed by colon and then hit enter. In the next line, give the statement which is print B is greater. Now if we run the code, it will give the output as B is greater. By this we can solve our problem. Suppose you are given a problem to find the grades of students. If they scored more than 90, then grade A. If they scored more than 60, then grade B, else grade C. To solve this, we need to write a if, elif and else block. So first we'll write the if condition, which is A greater than or equal to 90. And in the next line, type print grade A and followed by elif, where you can write the condition as A greater than or equal to 60. Next line you can type print grade B, and at last end with else block, where you can write the statement as print grade C. If you run the code, you will get the result as grade B. You can change the values of A and run the code and see the result for yourself.